Hi everyone, this is Santiago Guerra from SOS Garage Door Service, and I wanted to do basically a year in review on what I consider my favorite tech of garage door for 2018. Now this does not necessarily mean it's the best tech that's out there. In fact, there was a lot of great companies, some startup companies that brought up some great ideas for garage door technology, but this is what I thought was considered basically my favorite, what I used and what I ended up even installing in some customers. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get to my 5 favorite tech of 2018. Number 5. Number 5 actually ended up being technology that was redone and renewed early this year, January 2018. And that was with the LiftMaster jack shaft motor. Now LiftMaster had a number or a series of motors that they came out with their jack shaft style, and specifically it started with the 3800 and then it went to the 8500, but now in early January 2018 the 8500W was far beyond what any of us could imagine in the industry. In fact, its sleek design, its perfect application for low headroom clearance, and even just basically providing space above your garage door because the motor actually mounts on the side, was a perfect way for LiftMaster to start this year with great technology, a quiet motor, and the ability to use as a smart home product with your cell phone. So my number 5 product happens to be the LiftMaster 8500W. Now my number 4 favorite tech for 2018 garage door is actually the LiftMaster 8164W. Now this motor is extremely on the other side of what the 8500W is, but it's a traditional chain drive motor. It's a DC motor that quite frankly I think it provides all the bang for your buck that you're going to get out of a garage door opener system. So the reason why I'm including this as number 4 on the list is because I feel that it's probably one of your best options out there if you didn't want to have to spend so much money for a brand new garage door opener. Now for my number 3, it's actually a gimme, or in other words, I'm using something or I'm talking about tech that has existed already for a while. It's basically LiftMaster's MyQ application. Now the reason why I'm including it and as one of my favorite tech for 2018 is because they did a really good job with its interface. In fact, they made it a lot more easier for customers to go ahead and put their items as, or I should say their garage door system, which is considered as a smart home product, on their cell phone. It was an easier process than what was provided prior to 2018, and I really have to say LiftMaster made this one a win. So this is why it's my number 3 on my favorite garage door tech of 2018. Now my number 2 is a garage door opener, but this is not from the LiftMaster brand. In fact, it's from Genie. But the reason why I like this specific motor, the Genie 3120, is because it offers all of the same peripherals that you're going to get out of one of the LiftMaster motors. A couple of remotes, a great quiet chain or belt drive DC motor. It even has what is their equivalent to MyQ, the Aladdin Connect, the Wi-Fi feature. But what was perfect about this motor is that it could fit into tight spaces where you could get up to about 118 inches of headroom space. So in other words, if you didn't want to spend all the money for an 8500, you could easily purchase the Genie 3120, not break the bank, but still get a fantastic motor. This is why it's my number 2 on this list. Now for my number 1, of course, it has to be the cream of the crop. It has to be the tech that I think came out just guns a-blazing. Of course, it's going to be a garage door opener motor, and yes, it's going to be from LiftMaster, but this one was really shine for me. It's the LiftMaster WLED motor. Now, this is very similar to what the 8550W is. There's really nothing crazy special about its features. You can get remotes, wireless keypad. Of course, it comes with the MyQ connectivity as a smart home product. But what was great out of this unit, or great out of this product, is that it comes built in with LEDs. These LEDs light up to 3,000 lumens. And when you think about that, you're basically getting daylight, according to their website, daylight within your garage. It eliminates from having to change out bulbs. Their LEDs are efficient. It does not interfere with the remote transmitters. I just think it's an overall fantastic product, one that will still keep you in the high end, but you won't have to spend a ton of money on it installed. It's my favorite tech of 2018, the LiftMaster W LED motor. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Santiago Guerra, SOS Garage Door Service, and we look forward to servicing you in the next year to come.